Yo, G here. You all know what I'm saying when I say your hippo is eating your flow. Before lunch, priorities change 3 times. Why? Currently, loud executive opinions beat clear evidence. Here's how we fix it. First, we score every feature. We use OKR fit, value, time, risk, duration. We use WSJF or some simple weighted scheme. It's dealer's choice. Publish the stack rank so that everybody can see. Next, form a small, fast priority council. No, not a CCB or a steering committee. A lightweight group that includes PMO and project leaders and some empowered stakeholders. Call it the priority sync. It can even be a part of the dependency sync that we've talked about already. Here's your process. When an executive request comes, quickly convene the council and include the requester. The council will score the request, reorder the existing ranked list based on score, and create a decision record. Now, that decision record will tell everyone why the request has become a priority. And most importantly, it will tell everyone what has to be replaced or deprioritized in the flow. Here's the kicker. The hippo or the requester has to identify what gets bumped. Here's what you get. No score, no start. No record, no reorder. Remember, if a VP can jump the line without making demand changing decisions, it's not agile. It's noise. Let evidence win, not volume. How do you handle HIPPO requests in your PMO? Drop a comment and follow. Talk to you guys later.